project, you can track a different status. You can have your own board for every single project. So if it's a marketing related one, you can have it as ideation, content creation, design review, performance analysis, closed, feedback loop, and in case if you want, you can have on hold. Let's say I want custom status called cancelled. I can create one anytime and drag and drop the status task from one status to another. So this is for the social media plan. But what about if I want to have a different white paper publishing as a project? So you can have a different set of simple open in progress review completed, etc. And if you want to have a different statuses for your development projects, you can create one at any point. You can also rename them, you can also color them differently, and you can delete it.